The top 3 AI tools for faceless creators. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 AI tools for faceless creators. Whether you want to start a faceless channel or you are already a faceless creator looking to level up your game, these tools will definitely help you do that. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Number 1 is obviously Faceless channel. Now what is Faceless channel? As the name suggests, it is a channel that does not show the creator's face. There are many reasons why someone would want to create a faceless channel. For example, you might want to protect your privacy. Or you might just want to focus on the content rather than on your appearance. Whatever your reasons may be, Faceless channel is a great way to connect with your audience without showing your face. And guess what? It is super easy to set up a faceless channel. All you need to do is create a new channel and then upload some videos. You don't need to show your face in these videos. You can use stock footage or even your own screen recordings. Once you have uploaded a few videos, you need to go to the channel customization tab and then click on the basic info button. Here you can add a channel banner and a profile picture. You can also change the channel name and description. Now once you have customized your channel, it is time to start creating great content. Remember that people are subscribed to your channel because they want to see what you have to offer. So make sure to deliver great content that will keep them coming back for more. With that being said, let's move on to the next tool. Number 2 is AI automation. Now what is AI automation? Simply put, it is the use of artificial intelligence to automate tasks. This can include things like generating ideas for your videos, writing scripts, editing videos, and more. There are many benefits to using AI automation. For example, it can save you a lot of time, and it can also help you produce higher quality work. There are many different AI automation tools available. So make sure to do your research and find the ones that will work best for you. Some popular options include Jasper, InVideo, PicaArt, Runway ML, and Adobe Premiere Pro. These tools can help you automate a variety of tasks so that you can focus on creating great content. Number 3 is AI tools help to make you new channel and make your own boss. Now what is AI tools help to make you new channel and make your own boss? To put it simply, these are tools that can help you start your own channel and become your own boss. They can help you automate tasks such as generating ideas for your videos, writing scripts, and editing videos. With the help of these tools, you can focus on creating great content that will keep viewers coming back for more. Some popular options include vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and Morning Fame. If you want to become a successful faceless creator, you need to use all 3 of these tools. Faceless channel is essential for protecting your privacy and focusing on your content. AI automation can help you save time and produce high-quality work. And AI tools can help you start your own channel and become your own boss. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.